Hey, welcome back. I just want to add a quick note here. I've actually ejected a Create React app just to show you what happens. You'll see here that it gives me a folder called scripts and then a folder called config. And in here, well, this was everything that the Create React app was hiding underneath the hood for us. You had things like Jest that was using for tests. We have our Webpack configuration. Remember our module bundler. You can see over here how long and intense and complicated it looks. We also have all the scripts that were run, for example, when we ran npm run build or npm run start or test. You see over here that it's quite a lot of code. This is why I recommend not ejecting. Because no matter what, no matter how much time you spend with React, you are never going to compete with the developers that are working full time, trying to make Create React app the best tool possible. Developers that are getting paid to make this tool as easy and as efficient for you. So I recommend that you never eject out of Create React app unless you absolutely have to. Because by using Create React app, we automatically get the best system and project build out of the box. And anytime there are updates or the industry changes and there's new ways of doing things, Create React app is automatically, going to have new version that has those changes implemented by professionals. So again, I wanted to show you that this is what's happening underneath the hood. But 99.9% of the time, you don't really need to eject because you lose all the benefits as Create React app gets more and more updates. I'll see you in the next one.